Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really simple, easy, classic holiday look. It's great for holiday parties. It's great for obviously Christmas, or if you do Christmas Eve, like a big Christmas Eve, anything like that. It would also be really pretty for New Year's as well. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep watching. Alright, so first I am going in with Force of Nature from the Tartelette palette from Tarte and just popping this in the crease with my Morphe M441. Now I am going to take Force of Nature and Dreamer and put this in the crease on the same brush. This look is so easy, I'm not even kidding. So super easy because it's just using all neutral shades. Just look. And then I am taking Multitasker and putting this on the outer V. And kind of in the crease as well, but mainly focusing it on that outer V. Now I'm just blending everything together. I just wanted most of the darkness on the outer V. So now I'm going in with my Stila Glitter and Glow in Smoldering Satin and just putting this on the lid. This shade is stunning. If you want a glitter and glow from Stila, Smoldering Satin is one of the shades that you need in your life. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Eye Studio eyeliner. Do not judge its appearance. It's been through it. And I'm just putting this on my lash line with I think this is a Aesthetica eyebrow brush, but it is way too big for my brows, so I use it as an eyeliner brush. And I'm kind of just making it smoky. I did create a wing at first, but I am removing it with my pinky because I hate how it came out. And it was so bad. But it's a little smokier, and I'm just going to go in and smoke it out a little bit more because this brush is like really kind of fluffy and like stiff at the same time. It's really hard to explain, but it's good for smoking out your eyeliner. So now I'm just going in with my eyeliner or my mascaras. So first I'm curling my lashes. Then as usual, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Lash Primer. Same old, same old. And then I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And I got mascara on my eye, or my face, so I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face, and here I am. Next, I'm going in with the Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipstick in Hexagram. I know Kat Von D is a little problematic, but this red is like everything. It is perfect. I love this red. This is one of my favorite reds, and it stinks that Kat Von D is Kat Von D because this lipstick is perfect for the holiday season because it's that perfect red. And then this is the finished look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!